Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This is Bluey and today we are going to be playing Destiny on the PlayStation, the Xbox One. So, as you can see, I've already gotten most of the stuff done. After all, this account is about a week or two old, and I'm also the only pack I don't have is Rise of Iron, so sadly I will not be able to play those levels for you unless I try getting Xbox Live or something. But today I am going to be playing, let's see if I can find it first. Okay, today I am going to be playing Restoration on Old Russia Earth. Return to fallen territory and hunt for parts to restore your ship's ability for interplanetary travel. Since I've already done most of the gameplay, there are a few levels that you will not be able to see, but that is mainly because they're only temporary, and once completed, they are not replayable. So, anyway, let's play. And yes, please know that playing the level as both a starter and a max level are completely different. I do not suggest attempting to compare the two because even as level 40, some of these levels are pretty annoying. And anyway, let's get into it. This is more one of the shorter levels, so yeah, let's do this. Takes a minute for the game to load.
There's so little left out here. We were lucky to even find this ship. A Guardian can't do much to protect the city without one. But it needs a warp drive if we ever hope to fight beyond Earth. And that Cosmodrome is the only place I know where we might still find one. We survived the Fallen once. We can do it again.
No, there's no music, by the way. No music at all. Because I turned off music. And if there is ever any music,
the Guardian ship was
it's
recently
gonna
shut
take
down
me
here. If the Fallen haven't gotten
there
to
we
it,
go.
there might be parts we can salvage.
Okay, so let's do this. Back. Oh yeah. Whoop. Sorry if it's a little loud for you guys. It is very loud for me.
The ship's avionics are completely catatonic, but I can code their last transmission.
Oh gosh, that did not sound fun.
They managed to restore an information hub here, down in the tunnels below. We should check it out.
Okay, Ghost. So, just to let you guys know, after every video, I will show you guys my loadout. Show you and let you know if I've ever changed anything. Also, if you guys want to see more of this, drop a like down below. I'm not really saying a goal. If this video gets even 1 like, I'll be impressed. So, yeah. Some of you probably already noticed. Bluey, why are you playing with the Sunbringer class? Isn't Voidwalker class the default? Yes, it is, and I have more progress with Void Walker. Only issue is that I am currently working on the Sunbringer class. So, I'm just trying to get it. I'm trying to make a use out of it. Map of the entire area. Nice. Scan.
What we really need to find is a warp drive, so we can jump to any planet or moon.
Oh, we got something right there.
Our only hope is where we found our ship. We have to go back.
Oh, not back there. Oh. Okay, we might as well go. Holy crap, hello. Oh, that's like a hunter class we just passed. I don't know. So, I am a warlock class on the game. If any of you guys play Destiny and are currently on my Discord server, you can actually request to have the role of which class you play. There is Titan, Hunter, and Warlock.
Bad news. It's already in fallen hands.
Oh, great. Anyways, I was saying there are 3 classes you can pick from on the Discord server. There's Titan, Hunter, and Warlock. I am a Warlock. So, I have different weaponry and abilities. Every now and then, I just like to grind to level up some equipment. And wow, this is loud. Ooh, yay, ammo for my sword.
It's in the wall.
Oh, hello. Toughness. I am now practically invincible. Oh, never mind, these guys still do a lot of damage. Even for level 2s. And again, that guy is a flippin' Archon. Okay, screw it. Ooh. Ow. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Stop it. Ow. I said stop it. Ah. There. Ah. There. Oh yeah, a new band. Ooh, wait, no, it's a new upgrade. Okay. Okay.
You just killed an Archon. And we got a warp drive.
Yes, Ghost. So, remember, the levels will start getting longer and longer later on. So, if you guys want me to continue making this as a series, please let me know. And, like I said, if I get a single like on this video, I will continue. But, like I promised, I am going to show you my loadout. Say hello to my Warlock class, Super Bluey. He is a level 40 and is currently working on the Sunsinger class. Don't know why I said Sunbringer, but whatever. Or Sun whatever I said. Okay, that lets me have more rocket launcher focus. I currently have if you guys want, you can read out all the stats for my current weapons and equipment. If you want, just pause the video and stuff like that. Here is my vehicles and stuff. One of my emotes. And wait, do I have another upgrade up here? Oh, right, I got a new helmet engram. Okay. But here is my inventory as well. Lot of items. And just there is my ghost. Real quick, I am also going to show you the 3 different skins I have. This is the default shader. This is Trustees. And this is Surfbreaker. If you wish to pick a favorite between one of these shaders for another episode, please let me know in the comments. And on that note, I will talk to you all later. See ya.